Hi there. Want to make your Shopify store look more professional by removing the default Powered by Shopify text in the footer? Let me show you how exactly to do it. It only takes a minute. First, head over to your Shopify admin, then click on the online store and go to Themes. Once you're there, find the theme you're using. Click the three-dot menu next to it and select Edit Default Theme Content. Now, in the filter bar at the top, type in Powered. You will see a field that says Powered by Shopify. All you have to do is hit the spacebar once in that box. That's it. And then click Save. That usually does the trick. But if the message is still showing in your footer, don't worry. Go back to Themes, hit the three dots again, and this time choose Edit Code. Look for the section bar. Open the file called footer.liquid. Once inside, press Ctrl F and search for Powered by link. Just delete that line, click Save, and you're good to go. And that's it. Super simple. Now your store's footer will be clean and fully focused on the brand. Thanks for watching. And if you want more quickly, Shopify tips like this, stick around.